Ready, set, go! I think that's good. All right, I think we got it.
And now, Basenji Adventures brings you the Basenji Boop.
Miss Zulu, I'm gonna stop petting you. Boop. Okay, I'll keep petting you. I'm gonna stop again. Boop. All right. I'll keep petting you. Nah, I'm gonna stop again. Boop.
Look at her snaggle too.
Can I stop? No? Okay. What is up with that tooth, girl? Boop. I'm gonna stop petting you.
She's got a matching tooth on the other side.
Oh, yeah. What is with the snaggle today? Oh, big yawn.
Oh, she's
Hey, look, you're
smiling.
smiling like Zinja now. That's new. Wow. Look at you, all smiley. I'm gonna stop. Boop. She's like, you will not stop petting me. No. I'm gonna pet you. Okay, now I'm gonna stop. Boop. She's like, whatever. You love to be petted, don't you? You do. Little Miss Snaggle. Look how beautiful you are. Look at you. Yeah. Look at you. You ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk? Let's go.